let's shift focus, viewers, on upcoming budget now. That's going to be another big trigger that the stock markets will be watching out for. In 20 days from now, we are going to be seeing the budget getting presented. The air is about to get cleared completely today. Hopefully that it will be probably the one of the rarest times when we will see budget being presented on 1st of February. That will be a Sunday as well. And the big question is what's going to be on the focus of the government this time around. It seems like India's mining sector could be looking for a major push in budget 2026 with the new incentives that could be coming in and schemes in the pipeline as well. And my colleague Aishwarya Patil is now joining me in the studio to help us with exclusive details she's got on what could it really mean for coal, rare minerals, private players. So Aishwarya, what do we expect mining sector this time around on top of the radar, especially what has happened in 2025 and how the entire rare earth minerals episode has played out in China and what has the government really realized there?
Well, we'll bring you more details on the mining sector as well. That's expected also very, very soon. But first, I'd like to point out towards the coal sector. Ministry of Coal, of course, has proposed for a 35,000 crore rupees incentive package for coal gasification. Now, this is, of course, a step up from what was announced in 2026, allocation of 8,500 crore. So, this is what we are learning from our sources, that the coal gasification incentives could be quadrupled in 2026 ahead of the budget season. So it will be a big booster for some of the coal majors, both PSUs as well as private players, Coal India, BHEL, GAIL, NTPC, NLC, SAIL. All of these major players in the industry will get a big financial booster with this 35,000 crore rupees that has been proposed by the Coal Ministry. Of course, this is a strategic necessity for all of these players because there is a low carbon transition goal that India has set for 2030, about some million tons of that is the goal that India has set as far as the coal gasification is concerned, 100 million tons or so. That's the figure that we are looking at. Of course, economic impact, we could also pull down on our import bills that amounts to about $50 billion if we do transition to coal gasification. So big news coming in there for some of these coal players with this 35,000 crore scheme. Objective, of course, 100 million tons gasification target by 2030. Back to you.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.